Today we are going to see audit procedure in audit planning. What is audit procedure? Audit procedure are a set of methods and techniques that auditor use to gather evidence about company's financial status. This helps them to determine if a company's financial statements are accurate and incredible. Audit procedure components are audit objectives, which says the purpose, what is the audit, expected output, what was the procedure is expected into the procedures, audit steps, these steps involved in the audit including the evidence to gather and to work the performance. Audit conclusion, the conclusion drawn from the audit including any further testing that may to be required. And we also have types of audit procedures. First one comes as the inquiry, second as confirmation, third how it is observed, and fourth inspecting the documents, fifth inspecting the assets, sixth regulations, and last one is to perform. The common audit procedures are inquiry, asking questions to gather relevant information, observation, watching how a process is performed by the company staff, and the third, as I said, confirmation, getting direct verification from third parties or internal stakeholders. Reperformance is nothing but repeating an activity that the company has already done. Analytical procedure says that analyzing the financial information by studying relationships between the financial and non-financial data. Substantive procedure is nothing but performing tests to create evidence in the audit procedure. Audit procedure are the techniques or process and the methods the auditor use to obtain reliable audit evidence, which enables them to gain a sound judgment about the organization's financial status. Audit procedures are conducted to help determine whether or not a company financial statement is credible and factual. With this, we have seen many things like definitions. What is the audit procedure? Audit procedure, as I said, it is a techniques, process and methods the auditors use to apply. What are the procedure methods? Audit procedure methods are nothing but it has no definitive structure when it comes to auditing. It's a whole process would depend on the auditor, the company to be auditor, and the purpose of the audit. Learn what are the two main methods of procedures below. First one is the substantive audit procedure. Substantive audit methods or audit process that provide actual physical evidence including paper trails such as financial statements, book of accounts or transaction records. This also includes other important documents such as registry for a land or a deed or agreement for a building rent. Essentially, substantive method include any tangible proof that are not only conclusive understanding of the circumstances. Next one is the analytical audit procedure. While the substantive methods uses apparent proofs as audit basis, analytical methods take the steps further. Analytical methods a pair of financial data which is determine the correlation between them, comparison of previous versus current trends, as well as evaluation of difference between the client's record and the substantive evidence, which are also considered as an analytical methods. With these two, the types of audit procedure comes, as I said earlier, inquiry, documentation, verification, all those procedures will come, which has inquiry, confirmation, observation, inspection, recalculation and reperformance. With these types of audit procedure, an audit phase is conducted for the company. Thank you.